Excel how to change page order. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because organizing worksheets in Microsoft Excel is essential for managing large or complex files. Changing page order helps improve workflow, makes data easier to navigate, and ensures reports are structured clearly. It is especially useful for students, analysts, and professionals handling multiple sheets. To begin this tutorial, open Microsoft Excel on your computer or laptop and wait until the Start screen fully loads before continuing. Once the application is ready, open an existing workbook that contains multiple worksheets. Make sure the correct workbook is active so you are working on the right file and can clearly manage your sheet arrangement. Next, look at the Sheet tabs located at the bottom of the window. Identify the sheets whose order you want to change so you can plan the new arrangement properly. Click on one Sheet tab to select it. Then, hold and drag the selected Sheet tab to a new position along the tab row. As you drag it, observe the small arrow indicator that shows where the sheet will be placed. This visual guide helps ensure accuracy before releasing the sheet. After that, release the mouse to drop the sheet in the desired order. Notice that the sheet order has now changed instantly. If you need to adjust more sheets, repeat the same process for other tabs until everything is arranged correctly according to your needs. This method is quick and effective for simple reordering tasks. If you want more control over positioning, right-click on a Sheet tab instead of dragging it. From the menu that appears, select Move or Copy. A dialog box will appear on the screen, giving you more precise options. Choose the position where you want to move the sheet by selecting a target sheet from the list provided. This allows you to place your sheet exactly before a specific worksheet. Once you have selected the desired position, click OK to confirm the new placement. Observe that the sheet has moved accordingly based on your selection. Finally, save your Excel file after completing the changes to ensure your new sheet order is stored properly.